Okay, welcome to my channel. This is the market outlook, my analysis for Great British Pounds US dollar today. So today I can say the market has a bearish tendency. That is, it is likely to fall. So in this analysis now, we are using price action, demand and supply in combination with resistance and support. So now look at this. I have drawn my demand and supply line, which is this, my demand and supply rectangle, which is this black rectangle here. So how did I get that? If you check, this is like a resistance area. This is like a resistance area. If you go to your M15 charts, let's look at that. Let's look at where that line started. Okay, you can see the last candlestick here. So this is like a support that was broken, and now it has become a resistance because it's now above. So this is an area with a large chunk of sellers, so that when the price gets to this point, let's go to a higher time frame so that you can see the full distance. Okay, this is H1. So when the price gets to this point, you can see the zone here. The price zone of 1.2118, the boundary between 1.2118 or 1.2119 and 1.2111. So that is the nearest resistance zone of the market. So when the price gets there, you can see the price is already coming up. When the price gets there, we will look at the kind of candle it forms there. So but generally, today has a bearish tendency. That is what I mean by that. The market is likely to sell today. So this is the market outlook for today. When the market gets here, it's going to form a reversal candle, or it might not even get there, it will reverse. Then this is the lowest point of the market today. The market is getting to, this is the lowest point the market can get to today. Okay, let me go to higher time frames so that you see the lower resistance. Okay, you see this black line. Let me take in it 4 pixels. So this is the support of the market. Let's go to lower time frames. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, you can see it clearly. You can see it clearly on the daily time frame. Let me zoom in. Yes. So you can see this is 1.2026. What does this mean? The next what's it called, support, the support of the market is at 1.2026. That is the daily support of the market. So if the market falls, you have to watch out for the point 1.2026. The candle it forms there, it is likely to reverse there. So in conclusion, the markets will be trading between those boundaries, between those two boundaries today. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. So the market will be trading between this boundary 1.2116, which will act as a resistance. Remember, resistance is above while support is below. So this will act as a resistance or a demand zone. This will act at a turning point. If the market gets here, it will reverse. So the market will be trading between this boundary 1.2116 and that's the support zone that I showed you below, this, which is 1.2013 or 16, thereabouts, those zones. So how do you time your entry? When the market gets to those points, you watch out for reversal candles. Or when the market ranges, you use sentiment analysis. So this is the market outlook for today. Those 2 points that I just showed you. So that is it. So subscribe so that another day I'll release the analysis for that day.